Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be working on the Slash 4x4. I'm gonna be making a 3-part video. um, so for the first part of this video I'm gonna be disassembling the whole car. Gonna be doing maintenance to the differentials and chuck, changing their oils. For part 2 gonna be dyeing the chassis to a different color, and part 3 is gonna be assembling the whole car. So let's start. So I have just finished disassembling. Everything from the chassis is off. I just need to disassemble now the front and the rear portion of the car, and then after that I'm gonna start with the maintenance, changing the oils of the differential and chucks, and let's get into it. So I've just finished disassembling everything. Now I'm gonna clean the differentials, both of them, take the grease off, change the oils, and the same thing for the shocks. Clean them, change the oils. So I was changing the oil of one of the front shocks, and I just noticed that the rod of the shock is bented. So I'm gonna have to either, I don't know if they sell a replacement for the rod, or we're gonna have to buy the whole shock. Either way, can use it. But I pretty much finished tearing up the whole car. This is gonna be the end for part 1. Part 2 is gonna be cleaning the whole chassis, the dye and color process, and part 3 is gonna be assembling the whole car again. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.